Hello everyone, we're going to see about push-down automator. Push-down automator is a finite automator which uses the principle of stacks, which means to push and pop elements. Push-down automator can be mentioned as the following: Q, which is the set of state; epsilon, which is the set of input symbols; gamma, which is the set of push-down symbols; Q0, which is the initial state; Z is the initial pushdown symbol; F is the final state; and gamma is the transition function. Now let's see an example to know how pushdown automator is used. We take a to the power of n, b to the power of n, where n is greater than 0. The following can be written as AB if n is equal to 1 or AABB if n is equal to 2. To proceed with, we will take n is equal to 2. Initially, the stack contains Z0. The initial state is taken as Q0 and the input is A, and Z0 as the stack contains only Z0 as the element. Now we write Q0 and AZ, as now A and Z are the two elements present in the stack. Second step, we again write Q0 and the input A, and on top of the stack we have A, which gives Q0, and now we have three elements, so A, Z will be the answer. But for larger numbers, it can be hectic work, so we write only the first two elements. Third step, we write Q0, and now we write the input symbol as B, which we consider as pop, and on top of this stack we have A. So the state changes from Q0 to Q1, and epsilon symbolizes that we are doing a pop operation. Fourth step, we will continue it from the Q1 state with the input symbol B, and on top of the stack we have A with one of the A removed, which gives us Q1 and epsilon representing pop operation. Now we have Z0 as the final element on the stack. Now we proceed by drawing the state diagram. Now we draw Q0 as the first state and Q1 as the final state. We draw a loop as it stays on Q0 state for the first two push operation of A. The transition occurs when we go from push operation to pop operation. Now the loop stays in Q1 until the full stack is emptied up. Now PDA is represented as the following. It has Q0 and Q1 as states. The input symbols are A and B. Then comes the gamma, which is the pushdown symbol, which is A and Z. Then we write the initial state, which is the Q0. Z representing the pushdown symbol, which is already existing, which is Z0. And the final state will be Q1, and delta, which is the whole process that we have done. Now we check if the language is accepted or not. For the string AABB, we take Q0 as the initial state and the string and the initial element in the stack, which is Z. We write the state as it is, and then we write ABB as one of the A is pushed into the stack, and now we have A and Z inside the stack. On third step, we have Q0 as the initial state and BB as both the A's are now pushed inside the stack. Fourth step, now the state changes from Q0 to Q1 and we have only B, and inside the stack we have A and Z as one of the A is popped. We continue the process until the stack is whole empty. As we can see, the stack is fully emptied now. So we can say that the following string is accepted. That was all about PDA for now.